Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I usually start the day with the kids having fruit. Sometimes they eat the apple with the skin and sometimes they just want it to be cut into apple slices. So I really like giving the kids fruit every day, not necessarily breakfast. Sometimes we do fruits in between. Fruit really helps to strengthen the child's immunity and help to fight all of the nasties. So I normally like making my pancakes beforehand. What I do is I make a batch of pancakes that they can have for 2 to 3 meals. So my pancake recipe is really easy to follow. I'll link a video of my go-to pancake recipe. This particular one I've just sort of switched it up a bit. Now for those who don't know, I've got 3 kids and their ages 9, 8 and 5. Pancakes is an absolute staple in my home, so sometimes I can make it the night before and then they can have that for breakfast, or I can make it in the morning and they can have that for dinner. This is literally like food on the go. All you need to do is pop it in the microwave and the food is literally served. I love my pancakes to be quite creamy, so I usually use about 2 cups of full cream milk, and I would add that to my batter in batches so as not to overwhelm the batter and to also avoid having clumps in the batter. I'll just basically stack them up and fry them with very little oil. So I'm going to pack them up and store in the fridge, and then I'm going to proceed to starting breakfast proper. So I'm going to be making some chicken burgers. They are like chicken nuggets actually, but I'm just going to be making that. Once they're browned and properly cooked through, I'm going to be draining the excess oil in a kitchen towel. So I'm just going to be popping some bread in the toaster to make some toast. They absolutely love toast. I don't know what it is about toast, if it's the smell of the bread or the crunchiness. They absolutely love toast. So I'm just going to put it in some ketchup. So I'm going to be serving them some full cream milk. Milk is so important for growing kids, and they have to have milk every single day because they're a good source of energy and protein, and they contain a wide range of vitamins and minerals, including calcium. And these helps young children build bones and keep their teeth healthy. I'm just going to be adding in some Nesquik chocolate for that chocolate flavor. So sometimes at breakfast, I also just give them some yogurt. I always make sure they have water as well to drink when they're eating. milk is becoming quite scarce. I don't know what's going on. I literally just got this back from the store, and they were saying to me they don't even know when next they'll have stock. You know, you literally have to go to several stores to buy it, and it's becoming a little bit frustrating. Do you have any ideas where I can get this milk from in Lagos, because it's becoming really, really annoying. So it's on to prepping for lunch. Today we're going to be having jollof rice. Again, I make this in a bit of a batch. So this is like 2 servings of jollof rice for the family. I just like having ready-made meals in my fridge. It makes it much easier for meal planning, and also to just have days where you can rest and not cook. This is my jollof rice recipe, and I will link that somewhere so you see how I make my jollof rice. I always have to have veggies in my jollof rice, from sweet corn to green peas to carrots, just to balance out all of the starchiness of the rice. So I got this really interesting Oreos from the store, and it's the reason why I bought it is because it says Lady Gaga, which is a bit weird, to be honest. I think she did some charity work or something, I'm not sure. And it's just basically your regular Oreos. I think I shall have fun dunking this in some milk. So we're having a cheat dinner today. You see what I mean when I say cheat dinner. So today I'm just going to be giving them some ice cream for dinner, and they're going to be having that with the pancakes I made earlier. Some days I just do a cheat day for them, just for them to have their favorite. Kids love ice cream, so I give them ice cream like once a week or once in 10 days. It's not something that I give to them regularly.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have with no regret.
We absolutely cannot end the day without multivitamins. Sometimes I give them in the morning, sometimes I give them in the evening. I just give them out of habit, because my mom used to give us multivitamins, and obviously they're quite good, but it's just something that I would say is learned behavior. They love the taste of this one. So I hope you enjoyed the video. This is like what my kids eat in a day, and I would love to hear more tips from moms out there. I guess I'll see you soon.
Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension. Move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true.